Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video tutorial, I will explain you how you can scrape Google Images with our Google Images API. So first of all, before explaining you how the API works, you can use this API for image recognition, deep learning, object identification, or copyright violation check. Now let's dive into our dashboard to see how this API actually works. I'm on my dashboard. Let's just pass a random query. Let's say a pizza. And if I try it button, I will get a beautiful JSON response, and you can see how fast the API actually is. So you will get the title of the image, the URL of the image, source, the original link, the dimensions, and the no more link, the rank. So I have written an article on this too, which is made using Python. We're using our own API to extract data from Google Images API and storing it to a CSV file. I am going to attach the link of this blog into the description section. Other than that, like you can pass location and the number of results you want to get from the API. The credit cost will remain the same and it will cost 5 credit for each request. So if you have any questions regarding Google Images API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then please reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.